will connect to WhatsApp. OpenClaw and WhatsApp now are connected, and then I will perform the same action. All right. Just give me another couple of minutes while I set it up. I will open another terminal. Okay, let me just copy some commands. As part of this session, I will be sending these commands so you can set up everything on your own. So I'm installing WhatsApp. So there is a plugin that I'm installing. It first checks if it is installed. If not, it will install it. It has installed it. Okay. Next, I am going to add my WhatsApp phone number. Okay. I have already set it up, but when you will run it for the first time, you will get the option to put in your number. So once you do that, you should be able to access your phone number. Here, let me just show you how I am specifying the phone number. Sorry, I ran it without specifying my phone number. Let me specify this. My number is, I just set this up. So now it will try to connect to my specific WhatsApp account. Okay. So this part is done. Now I'll just verify if this was saved. Yeah, allow from this particular number, I can connect to OpenClaw, right? You have some options like how big your media files connection should be. You can change it if you want. So all of these options are available. Now I will link the WhatsApp account through a QR code. If I have already connected it, maybe it will not prompt me for it. Okay, it is already linked because I had done it yesterday. For you, when you will try it for the first time, everybody please pay attention. It will give you a QR code. You just need to open your WhatsApp, go to linked devices and scan that. That's all. Okay. Cool. Now let me start the gateway. Okay. So it is listening for personal WhatsApp inbound messages. OpenClaw is going to monitor if I send any message from my personal number. Okay. Now let me start with the pairing. May not require the entire pairing now. Yeah, it seems it's fine. Okay, because it is already connected now for me, I am going to go to my WhatsApp and see this. Okay. I am going to please perform this action. It is the same prompt. Run, if you go here, remember what I asked it to do, right? Where is it? Here, right? You go to this particular location and you perform a certain action. That is essentially, where did we do it? Okay, yeah. So this is essentially what I'm trying to do, but I'm going to ask WhatsApp to do this. Okay. Analyze, blah, blah, blah. Let's say analyze a trend, generate a specific HTML report in technical style. Let me just change this now so we can see the difference and that it is running. Okay, so I have asked it to perform this specific action. All right, let us see if it works. It is running. I know this, it is running mostly because generally whenever the other person is typing on WhatsApp, you get a typing notification. I don't know if you can see my screen, but right now, my personal phone number uh, is shown as typing to me. I'm not doing any typing, as you can see. But because this action is being performed by OpenClaw right now, right? This action that I asked it to, it is showing me a typing notification because that OpenClaw is working in the backend. Okay. So let's just wait for that action to be performed. We will get two outputs. We will get a HTML file just like this. Okay. This will be refreshed most likely because it's the same name, but it will also send me the summary back on WhatsApp. All right. Let's see if it is done. All right. This is done. See, uh, I asked it, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, I asked it this message, please perform this action. Run the local data analyst, and then technical style is all I changed here in front of you just so that you can see a change. Now what action is being performed? The user is asking me to do blah, 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 save the summary, and it has done the analysis on this particular data, and it is giving us the output. Right? So the data is available here. It gives me the insights, etc. Now, if I probably refresh this, this is exec style. Why did this not refresh? But at least the data run is done for sure because I can see the summary here. Let me close this and open it. Give me one sec. Local data analyst output analysis report. No, this is just the steps. Where is the output? HTML, HTML. Okay. So there is something done in a technical manner here. Okay. And we have the specific output that we want. It's the same analysis, but I controlled everything this time through WhatsApp. Okay. So it is already giving me a summary, and this is all orchestrated by the OpenClaw agent. Clear?